Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing and quick review of this GIZGA 2-in-1 stylus pen. I ordered this mainly for note taking, casual drawing and using my tablet and phone more smoothly. So in this video we'll check the build quality, what comes inside the box, how it looks and whether it's actually worth buying or not. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the packaging of the stylus pen. The box looks pretty minimal and clean. On the front side we can see the branding and product image, and on the back side there are some specifications and compatibility details mentioned. It says the stylus supports most touchscreen devices like tablets, iPads, Android phones and even some laptops with touch displays. Alright, let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay, first impression actually looks quite nice. So inside the box we get the stylus pen itself and some basic documentation or user manual. Now talking about the design and build quality, honestly it feels pretty premium for the price. The body has a nice metallic finish and it feels lightweight but sturdy in hand. The grip also feels comfortable, so long usage shouldn't be a problem. And since it's a 2-in-1 stylus, we get different tip options for different kinds of usage. The tip looks smooth and responsive, which should help while writing or scrolling. Now let's test it on a device. I will first try some handwriting. Okay, the response actually feels smooth. There is very little delay and it glides nicely on the screen. Now let's try some quick sketching or design drawing. For casual use, this seems perfectly fine. If you are a student or note taker or someone who likes basic digital art, this could be useful. Even for normal navigation and scrolling, it feels more precise than using fingers. So after testing it briefly, here are some quick pros and cons. The pros are that it has good build quality, smooth touch response, lightweight and comfortable, works with multiple devices, affordable pricing. Some of the cons are it's not meant for professional level artwork, palm rejection may not be available depending on the model, precision may vary across devices. So overall, I think this GIZGA 2-in-1 universal stylus pen is a pretty decent option for basic everyday use. If you want an affordable stylus for note-taking, browsing, online classes, or casual sketching, then this seems worth checking out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below if you want more tech unboxing and gadget review videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.